RDF rotation drum filter, 25 km for 1 hour. This control box, this motor reductor, this place for water when clean already outside, arm for pump, mesh 200 microns, stainless steel nozzles, stainless steel sensor, and can regulation up down. Can put here for water come to inside by gravity, or can put here. Just move here. This if you want push water inside by pump. Yeah, this everything open. This 1, 2, 3, easy. You just take this and open. Yeah, no need to use tools, only by hand. You can see here plastic safe, stainless steel for not have nothing garbage, dirty, and can easy exploit it and come back. And all filter use this. And motor reductor, this inside. And these two close. Same thing. Yeah. Here you can see. Construction. Rotate like this. Okay. Thank you.